Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 7C and let me show you how to block a contact or a number in this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using directly your contact list and the second is using the dialer. So if you do not have this number saved on your device, then it is the best way to block it. So first of all, let's begin with the first option. Let's open your contact list. Now let's find the contact you want to block and tap on it. And here let's tap on this three dots icon. As you can see here, we've got Add to Blacklist option, so just tap on it. And as you can see, just under the name of your contact, we've got the notification that it has been added to a blacklist. Of course, you can remove it from the blacklist just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on Remove from Blacklist. But let me leave it like this and let me show you another option. So let's open the dialer. Let's tap on this three dots icon and here we've got the blocked option, so let's tap. Now we have to choose this settings icon, it should be in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got all the settings for blocking the numbers. Here we've got the interception rules, so let's tap on it. As you can see here we can decide if we want to block unknown or hidden numbers, all strangers, or all incoming calls, and the same situation with the messages, so we can block all the strangers. If you want to turn on the option, just tap on the switcher right next to it. If you want to turn it off, the same situation. What's more, we can set different settings for each SIM. Just tap on the switcher, and if you have both SIM cards, then you can divide all those settings. But let me get back, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, so let's tap on the numbers on blacklist, and as you can see here we've got the number we just blocked from our contact list. What's more, you can add another numbers. Just tap on this plus icon, and here we can add the number from messages, call logs, contacts also. We can match prefix or we can manually add it. So let me pick manually add, and here we can just type the number we want to block and tap on OK. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Now let me get back, or maybe not. Let me now show you how to remove the number from the blacklist. Just tap on it and hold it. Make sure that it is marked, so I will unblock the number from our contacts and click on Remove. Click on Remove. And as you can see, they immediately disappears from our blacklist. Now let's get back, and what's more, here we've got also very useful thing, the keywords blacklist. So it means that you can set the particular keywords, and if they will appear on any messages, then they will be blocked. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Honor 7C. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.